This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. Let me go to the pending topics. So we understood about workflow and purchase expenditure for product yesterday, but there is some challenges, I think, right, yesterday. So let me open this once again and let me explain you. Let me complete this one and let me proceed with the summary. Okay, so this one I cannot show, as I told you, like it is not working. Fine, let me do one thing. Let me open this environment trial versions so that we can understand. Just give me a minute so that you will get confident on this process. Whether we have verified this like purchase expenditure for product 0 is updated, verified in our my environment or in this system. Which version we have verified? Do you remember? Is it in my environment or here? Lab. No one did. No one
I
remember
think
this.
yours only, sir.
In my system, huh?
In your system,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Then we'll verify in this system, in lab environment. It will work perfectly, so that you can get confident on this process. Just give me a minute. So it is loading. So I will show you this, whatever it is there, workflow and purchase expenditure for product effectively, because in my system I'm not able to show you properly. So then we'll proceed, and the partial product receipt also will proceed. After that I will go with these 2 points. Okay. Fine. Meanwhile, any questions, team? Anyone want to discuss with me? Anything to discuss?
Sir, yesterday I was asking for that LCS. If we want
Okay.
to, like,
Okay. Fine. Fine. So what is that LCS actually? So this is LCS. It is a website. You need to log in with your credentials. If you have, like, if you are working in a software company, any company, you will have one LCS link with username and password. You can log in. Inside there, you will find library. there, like in the library, you will find like the file, like whatever you are talking about, some files. Okay, so now you are asking me about GST for these files, am I right?
Yes, sir.
3 files. So this is very, very old files, almost 2 years, 2.5 years back files. Okay, so I'm providing here. You can use it for time being. It's not harm to you, but you can use it. If it is not supporting by new version, I don't know, but you can try. Okay.
So these files can be downloaded from that site, sir?
Yes, exactly right. Exactly right. Through LCS you can download, but you have to have some credentials, username and password, and you have to have library. Then if you go to the like library, product library something, you can download these files.
So is it sir, accessible after paying some amount or something like that, or is it free for all?
No, you need to take a license from Microsoft. If you are a
Okay, we need to take
license,
this.
yeah. So if any of your friend is working, you can ask him to
Okay,
download and you can share him. You can ask him to share with you.
okay, sir.
It's not any harm or something. Not it.
Fine.
Only you
Fine,
should
sir.
know about one person, like who is already working
Who
with
have
Dynamics.
access? Okay.
Exactly. So whoever is working with really Dynamics application in the implementation of support, he will have access all those things.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It's not a complex and it's not a harm to that person also. If he is sharing, it will not harm to the company. No problem.
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Fine, sir. I'll try to
Yeah.
upload somebody.
Yeah. Fine. Good. Any more questions, team? Anyone?
The environment is not getting open, sir. It seems there is some problem with the environment also.
So even in your system also the same situation. So I'm using from 7 to 8 batch. I'm using this one, and all of a sudden it is not stopped working. Is it happened to you as well? All of a sudden it was stopped. I don't know. At like at 7:30. At 7:30 it was stopped.
For last 2 months, sir, I'm trying, but never been able to access.
No. It is opening for every day. Every day I'm opening. For practicing purpose, we can open. It's not an issue. Services.msc. Microsoft. Both are running now. Yeah, it is. Both are running. Good. Now it will work. Sometimes the server may not work because the Microsoft like servers may be restarting. Periodically, they will restart the servers. At that time, during that time, there will be challenges, but it will open for everyone. But it will be 2 hours only. Every 2 hours, it will be shut down, and you need to restart once again. It will work.
We'll try again, sir.
It is working. If it is not working for one user, you can try with another user. Rohit. Okay, fine. Let me show you this one. But people are very few people are joining. That is, I'm a little bit not happy. See, out of this batch is around 35, but 13 people are joining. Everyone has paid fee. Frankly, I'm speaking. Everyone has paid fee, but only 13 people are joining. This will disappoint to me a lot, because if they join for live sessions, it will be more effective for any person. Like recording sessions, you can do it, but that will not be effective in real-time scenario, because you are sitting some other time, Now, if you are sitting now, your mother or your wife or your children, they will not disturb you because you are in the session. If you are practicing, they will disturb you a lot. That is the reality. If it is a live session, no one will disturb you.
Agree, sir. Agree.
So your concentration will be more for the live sessions rather than like recording sessions. Because anyhow, recording, you can listen this one later also. First listen to my voice. Your wife, your mother, your child will speak like that. But if it is a live session, wait, I am in the live session. So if it is amount is not paid, that is different scenario. You have paid fee. Because why I'm speaking this one, whoever is going for only video recording sessions, not joining for live sessions, they will go through video recording session, and at that time they will realize, at least they will, some people, if they join, that will be happy to me. See, in my trainings, I'm not working for money. I'm not working for only money. I want my students to be placed, and if they are, remember me forever, that will be more satisfaction to me rather than money. Of course, money is required, but if you settle down in a company and if you learn and if you, because you are currently, I mean to say, your salary or your job is very less now. So if you are growing, that will help me or happy to my mindset if you are growing. That satisfaction will not get even with n number of money, any money, any like so much money you have, that will not satisfy. But if you are helping some other person, our Indian culture is like helping others. Our Indians, each and every Indian, it is helping to other person is will give happy a lot rather than this money or something else. Of course, money is required for many things, but not all things. Fine, no problem, we'll proceed. I don't want to waste your time. Now let us understand all these things one by one. I'm going to teach you today this one. Okay, I'm closing this. Now let me show you workflow inside. Suppose procurement and sourcing module, collapse all, setup, procurement and sourcing workflows. Just I want to show you for a few minutes only. Click on workflow, click on open, run. This you cannot practice in your local system. Oh, bad luck. It is not working. Fine, I will show you in some other day about workflow. Fine. Now let us discuss about this purchase expenditure per product. Yesterday I have shown, but not effectively. Now let me create one purchase order quickly. Accounts payable, purchase orders, all purchase orders. Okay, I'm creating a new purchase order. You can select any vendor. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting currency as GBP. Instead of US dollars, this is the vendor is US dollars. For this transaction, I'm mapping, suppose GBP. Click OK. Now let me go back to general ledger. Collapse R, ledger setup, ledger, default, exchange rates. So GBP versus US dollars, USD versus GBP. So it is one available. Now what I'm doing, I'm entering for suppose 23rd May, I'm entering $72. Okay, next I'm entering after 1 week, suppose 27th, I'm entering $80. Okay, different $70, $72 and $80. Now we are posting purchase order, one purchase order. Select the item 1000, any item, suppose 2 quantity. Let me update. For easy calculation, I'm making 500. GBP for easy calculations. Okay, now if you verify the totals, it is 138.88 is fine. Okay, because 72 means 100 divided by 72. It is 138.88. Okay, 100 multiply. It is hundreds of this one. 138.888. That's what it is. Okay, fine. Now I'm doing product receipt. Confirming. I'm confirming. Product receipt. Receive tab. Product receipt. Okay, confirming. Now receive tab. Generate area page. Product receipt. So product receipt 125. Document date. So I'm updating now. Product receipt. I'm sorry. Just a minute. Okay, now if you verify the voucher, product receipt vouchers is not showing. Give me a minute. First one, let me verify it is enabled accounts payable parameters. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, now let me verify the product receipt checkbox. It is there. Let me verify now. It will be updated the voucher. Refresh. Voucher is not coming. Then we know like what is the solution? Voucher is not displaying.
Transfer now.
Periodic task is not done, sir.
Periodic
In the general ledger module, periodic tasks,
subledger
Subledger
transfer.
subledger entries
not a-
not at transfer. Am I right? Not at transfer. Okay. So now transfer. Sorry. Transfer now. Okay, now if you verify the, I'm sorry, it was in between. So now if you verify the voucher, look at this one. Oh, it's posting still. Why it is posting this amount? Still this is wrong. Am I right? So this bug is continuing or something? What is going on? Give me a minute. Let me verify. I have another one more header. GBP. Why it is taking this one? Still in this also there is a bug. Are you able to follow? Okay, if you verify the voucher, why it is showing like this? It's a blunder mistake. This is wrong actually. Even this version also has some problems. I don't know why. Okay, let me try one more. This is a bug, literally bug. Okay, let me delete this also. This is firing this one actually, like, understood? You take the calculator, 100 divided by 63.47. It is something else. Okay, no problem. Let me remove this also. Let me delete this one. Now I'm creating. Okay, fine. Now what I will do, I will map GBP versus USD. Okay, so we'll enter here. Just a minute. Now I will enter, suppose the blank. I will enter, suppose $60. I'm entering another one from this date. It is $70, and I'm entering one more. Let me try with this one what happens. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we'll try to create one more purchase order at least. So still if it is the same problem, I can't do anything. This is a technical bug. Okay, understood everyone? Just give me a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I'm selecting, suppose take the example, I will take US 102 or something vendor. Okay, please you can mute yourself because there is a lot of noise, background noise is coming. Okay, if it is required you can unmute, please don't worry. GPM mapping, if you really want to discuss with me you can unmute yourself, you can speak. Click OK. Let me try this one. Select the item. So now you understood the bug sum, right? How it is coming. Okay, the bugs, it is now bug actually. Suppose 500, I'm entering. Now, if you verify the purchase order totals, it is showing clearly $70. Exchange rate is 70. That means 100 by 70. See, here we have entered 70. Then it is calculations 100 divided by 70. It is 142.8. 142.857. Okay, that is exchange rate. Now let me proceed. And let me do product receipt now. I'm doing confirmation. Receive tab, generate area page, product receipt button, product receipt 126. Click OK. Now if you verify the product receipt voucher, if it is calculated that version, that is fine, otherwise I can't do anything. Okay, let me transfer now. Okay, let me verify the voucher. Now also it is coming the same value. So this is a bug or some setups, I don't know. 100 divided by 70 multiply with 1000. It should be 1428.57. So from where it is capturing this amount, I don't know. This is fixed price. Somewhere else it is fixed coming actually. So let me calculate this reversal. 100 divided by 166.356 is equal to 0.60. 1 second. Then it is 100 divided by 60 multiply with 100,000, 1666.67. Suppose if I'm deleting this one, let me try now. Okay, one more trial. See, this is the way of debugging. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in real-time scenario, you need to do like this, from where it is capturing, because we cannot see the code. We need to try with the different options, and you need to identify the problems. So GBP. Now what I did, I have deleted this empty record. I am predicting if it is coming from empty record, then I have deleted. Now I am entering like this one, same 1000, 2 quantity at the rate of 12.84. Why it is, I don't know, but let me enter 500. Now if you verify the totals, it will take 70. Okay, fine. Let me do a confirmation. Now let me do product receipt. So you need to have patience to verify. That's it. Document date. Click OK. Now we verify the voucher. Let me verify now. Still it is taking the same value. Okay, let me proceed. Let me do invoicing. This is technical problems. Clearly it is technical bugs. I can't do anything. It is technical bugs. But let me verify, is there any other setups are there or not? Now let me verify the voucher. Invoice voucher. If it is the same value, then we can't do anything. Okay. Let me verify. So one more feature. I will attempt one small attempt. Is there any new feature enhanced? Feature management. So you need to raise a bug for this one. Enable fixed exchange rate for reporting currency. On purchase documents. Enable fixed exchange rate for reporting currency on sales and purchase documents. This is enabled. So let me disable this one. Understood? This is a feature. This feature is enabled. How can I adjust? I want to disable here. Okay, fine. Let me go to the application now in my system. It will not take 2 minutes time. So I think if we disable that field, it may work. Understand? I'm predicting this one because it is enable fixed exchange rate for reporting currency. It was showing. Maybe it is because of something it is coming. But I want to disable this one. If I want to disable, it should show here disable.
But it's showing mandatory, so
It was showing, sir. Below disable was showing, I think.
Showing?
Yeah, yeah. Just scroll down there. I
Yeah,
think it
let me
was showing.
disable. Workspaces, feature management, all. Yeah, it's now it was not disabled. It was not coming. Got it? This one it is showing.
For others, it is showing, correct.
Yeah, it should be shown for this also.
that feature is showing mandatory, sir.
Where it is mandatory?
See, yes. I think we can't disable that option.
Yeah, actually it show like a red. I mean to say some strong, like you cannot modify. But it is there, fine. This change allows reporting currency information to be included on the sales order, sales agreements, and the vendor invoices documents. This change will require is turned on by default.
We can't
But
disable, I think.
yeah, then in that case, it is not the issue of from this one. Okay, no problem. I don't want to waste your time furthermore. Okay, I tried with many options. So, okay, so the problem is I'm not able to show you this one. The reason behind it is capturing the fixed exchange rate. If it is different exchange rate, it will show you the amounts. Okay, because of the bug, I'm not able to show you. I'm really sorry. I can't do anything. Okay, fine. Workflows, whether it is working or not, let me verify. Still working or not working, let me verify. Because this is also trial versions. This is also trial versions. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. We cannot blame Microsoft. Okay, it's coming. Now it is loading. So here it is working now. Earlier it is not working. Now one of our colleague is asking like, is there any possibility like conditions? Am I right? If it is more than 5,000, if it is 1,000, then only workflow should be enabled. Otherwise, not required. That kind of conditions we can configure here. See here in this approve vendor, right click, properties. So here conditions you can define. These conditions are so many conditions. Look at this one. If the currency is this, suppose currency is US dollars, I don't want any approval. currency is different, I want approval. Then I can map like this. Understood? Otherwise, the amount. So there are so many conditions. You have to have patience. If this amount is more than this much, then only I want. Suppose you can select now. Understood? This is, if you have a lot of patience, you can find. If it is journal lines, you can select journal lines. Each field wise. You can try to explore this one. Understood? Actually, what is the workflow you have opened? Accounts payable or vendor invoice journal workflow now? Let me open the purchase order workflow so that you can understand rather than this one.
Sir, please give the
So,
path one, sir.
which one?
Path for workflows.
Workflows, any module setup workflows. Any module setup. First one is parameter, second one is workflow. For any module. Understood? If you want procurement sourcing module, then you need to map procurement sourcing module, collapse all, setup, workflows.
Okay. Okay.
So purchase order workflow. So if you want to open workflow, it should be configured properly in your system, and you have to have username and password. So here you can write, double click, properties, whatever the way you want. In the conditions, you can write. Suppose it will show you. Suppose purchase order dot amount. Right? Otherwise, totals or something, it will be there. Am I right? Verify purchase order invoice amount. Yeah. It is on suppose $1,000.
This is purchase order invoice account, not amount.
Yeah, we need to change it. Invoice amount. It is $100, $1,000. Like this, you can mark conditions. Okay, so whenever you are mapping, then it is condition you have mapped. So if it is condition, like it is better to map from here rather than here, you can map condition decision. Let me condition decision. Okay, then you can delete this one, and you can connect these two. And if it is true, the condition, okay, let me write down here. If it is true, I'm deleting this one. If it is true, it will pass. I'll connect to the end. If it is false, it will go to this one, and it will go here, from here to here. Okay, the condition I'm removing from here. No need condition here. I'm deleting. Okay, always run. Okay, close. Now condition I will write here. In this I will write down the condition. If it is invoice amount is purchase order amount less than 1000, if it is purchase order invoice amount, value is less than or equal to 1000 US dollars. Okay, then less than $1000, true condition, no need workflow. And it is failed because the condition I have written. If it is failed, it will go to this one, and we need approval. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is conditional workflow. Even here also inside you can write, if it is more than 50,000, then should not be approved by this one. Another director, one of the director need to approve. Got it? The whatever the way you want, you can create this workflows. Understood this one? You can save and close. Click OK. Activate new version. Okay, now if you verify versions, it will show you the version numbers. Understood, everyone? Okay, workflows is clear now at least. Is it clear to workflow, everyone? At least minimum workflow. I'm not going to teach you the entire workflow processes. At least I'm showing you now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So like now it is time up. Actually, like I cannot start some other one. So tomorrow I will show you the remaining things. Okay, about this process. Today it was not progressed much, but I'm sorry because of the bug. I see that knowledge will be helpful to you how to debug it. Don't think like it is positive scenarios, negative scenarios also you need to face it. Okay, fine. I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time. See you all. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Tomorrow onwards it will be progress. Don't worry. Today only it was disturbed. Okay. See you all. Bye bye.
Okay, sir.